Hello, welcome to Food and Beyond. Today we are going to see a very simple salad recipe. So come, let's get started. For this, take one long cucumber and cut it like julienne style and keep it aside in a bowl. In a pan, dry roast 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds and do not burn it, just roast it until it turns slightly golden brown. Now you can see the sesame seeds has turned into golden brown. Now turn off the heat and add this to the cucumber bowl and mix it well. Now chop roasted peanuts into small pieces. You can use a knife or a mortar and pestle and just crush it into small pieces. Then add this to the cucumber bowl and mix it well. In a small bowl, take finely chopped garlic, then red chili flakes, salt as needed, and 1 teaspoon of honey, and to it add hot olive oil or sesame oil and mix it well. Now add this oil mixture to the cucumber bowl and mix it well. A simple yet delicious and yummy cucumber salad is ready. Try it at your home and let me know in comments how you like it. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Next week we will see another interesting video. Until then, it's bye from Food and Beyond.